Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Hi, my name is Carla and welcome to today's video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of the items that I acquired recently because I didn't really know what to film this week. I am kind of lazy to film another lookbook or like styling video, so we'll do something a little bit different. I haven't done a haul in a while, but I honestly don't know how to categorize this because I do have like a couple of sneakers I'm going to show you guys, and I also have some workout wear or activewear or sportswear or whatever you call them, and I also have like a piece of streetwear. So we'll call this a collective haul, or as you can see from the title, it's my latest sneaker pickups and of course a mini haul. So let's just leave it at that. Just make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you're not missing out on any of my new uploads, and of course give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let us get on with this video. Okay, so the first pair I'm going to show you guys is this Zoom Fly 3 Nikes. These are running shoes and I got them like 2 weeks ago, and I'm not gonna lie, I have worn them already. I have been wearing them since I got them. I've been running and they're such a huge upgrade from my previous running shoes, which are the Adidas Ultra Boost version 2, I believe. I don't remember if I got the version 1 or version 2, but pretty much that was the pair that I've been wearing for like years now, and they're comfortable. Not that I'm saying they're not good, but this is just an upgrade. The soles are just super soft and super bouncy, and I'm not gonna lie, I do like that extra bounce every time I kind of land on my foot when I'm running, and I've been enjoying it. It's just really great. So I also like that this pair of shoes are waterproof. Not that I'm saying I'm gonna run under the rain, but you never know when it's gonna rain. It's always raining in Malaysia. Every time I try to go jogging in the afternoon or in the evening, it does tend to drizzle. So I like that this is waterproof so that my feet don't easily get soaked. I like how they look futuristic in a way. This pair of shoes comes in different colorways, but I got the most basic one because I am a basic bitch. These are the black colorways because I feel like they just go with pretty much a lot of my workout wear. So I got these in a size 7.5. So usually I just wear a size 7 or UK 5. When I tried them on, I thought they were a little bit snug, so I had to size up, half a size up, and they just fit perfectly. The good thing about that as well is that I don't have to break into them, or break them. What is the term? Break in, pretty much. I can just easily run in them even if they're new, and I don't get blisters. I didn't get blisters at least. It's been 2 weeks. No blisters, no nothing. So it's pretty good. Okay, the next pair of shoes that I got is also a pair of Nikes. These are another basic pair of shoes, to be honest, but these are classics. This is a classic silhouette. This is the Nike Daybreak. And honestly, I didn't plan on copying these at first. Well, not this particular pair, but I wanted the ones that were a collaboration pair between Nike and Undefeated. Unfortunately, every site that I go to, every shop that I went to, didn't have those in my size. So that's a bummer. And there's a lot of sales going on around these days, hence my shopping. This is exactly why I kind of acquired a lot of things again this past 2 weeks, because I just couldn't resist the sales. But these were like super cheap. I got them for like 50% off, I think, off of retail price. Why not? What can I say? They're a classic silhouette. I do like that the material is part nylon and part suede. I don't think I have a pair of nylon sneakers, so that's another reason to own this pair. So this is also a size, well, half a size up than my regular size, and they just fit perfectly. So I wore these once to work already, and I plan to wear them a lot more often these coming days. Okay, the next pair I'm going to show you guys is another pair that I never thought or never planned to buy, but I did anyway because they're on sale. These are the Yeezy 350s by Kanye and Adidas. I only have one pair of Yeezy shoes. I got them in LA like 2 years ago. Those are the Supermoon Yellow Yeezy 500. I was just so amazed that I was able to find a pair of Yeezys on the racks for retail price, and because of that, I just immediately went and bought it. Honestly, I'm not really a huge fan. Like, I do like them in general, but not something that I would like really look for or like really hunt for. And it's pretty much the same with this pair. Like, I do like them, but it's not something that I would like go and hunt for. But they're super pretty. So I believe these are the black static non-reflective colorway. Correct me if I'm wrong because I'm not familiar with the Yeezy 350 colorways, honestly, because ever since they came up, I couldn't keep track. They're just so many different colorways that kept coming up after that. I've always wanted the Turtle Love, so the very first one that came out, I believe, but they were super hard to find, and I just gave up on that and just stopped following the Yeezy trend until I saw these on sale. Can you believe it? Yeezys on sale. Like, just mind blown. Kara and I were walking at the mall like 2 days ago, like just over the weekend, and we came across this pop-up sports sort of, how do you call those? Pop-up stores, but like a sports retailer that has like multiple brands. I don't know, something like that. And they were doing this huge sales of dead stock. Most of the stuff that they got were like either super small size or super huge size. So like 35, 36 sizes for women and like 44, 45 for men. The sizes that are not very common and don't really get picked up a lot. And I guess they were just trying to get rid of the stock. And you know, with the whole pandemic and everything, I think everyone's just trying to make money when people stop shopping physical stores and those kind of like retailers that don't really have a good like online presence, so they had to do what they can to just like get rid of their stock. So I don't know, I'm making up stories here, I'm just assuming, but pretty much is what I think they were doing. They had like some good pair of Nike Air Forces, but I don't know why I didn't get Air Forces. I guess because I just bought like 2 pairs of Nikes, so something different for a change. I just got lucky with this one actually, because most of the stuff, like I said, they had were like super small sizes, and I asked whether they have anything in my size, and they had this very last pair in my size. The only one, the only colorway, the only one that they had in my size, and everything else was like smaller or like a lot bigger. I haven't worn them yet, but I do plan to wear them sometime this week, and I will probably take a photo for Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, by the way, at Miss Carla Violet, I post a lot of my OOTD photos there, so if you will, go and follow. We are moving on to clothes. So also from the sales, I bought a couple of items from Pierre Cardin. These are actually from their Sportswear collection, I believe. So they're Pierre Cardin, but the brand is called Energized. They're super cute. Like, I bought each of these for like 20 ringgit. How much is that in USD? That's probably, let's say, $4-5 US. So cheap, such a steal. And the quality is not bad at all. The designs are like super cute. So I got this purple bra. You know what I really like about this is that they look kind of like those really high-end streetwear brands that are like doing sportswear as well. Think Misbehave or Alexander Wang, even Off-White. So I do like that they kind of look like that. I'm not saying the quality is the same, but they pretty much come close to how the style is. So, and then I got another one in pink. I couldn't decide which color to get because they came in a lot of different colors. They came in like light blue, I think. They came in gray, black, white. But I thought I already have like a lot of black sports bras, and I thought why not just get like a bright pink. And then the last one that I have, I just said I have a lot of black sports bras already, but I couldn't help myself and get another one. But this is like super cheap in my defense. This one is only like 10 ringgit, so that's about $2-3 US, so why not, right? So these aren't really heavy support, but it's good enough for like running or doing yoga and stuff like that. So I'm not complaining. I haven't worn any of them yet, but I do plan to wear them when I work out this week. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you is another sports bra from Nike. This is, I believe, from their Nike Pro collection. It's quite recent, I think, and it's another pink sports bra, but I do like the color combination on this one. I think it's really pretty, it's really cool, it's just modern, and what else can I say? It's Nike. And then I bought something to pair it with, this Nike shorts. They come in the same color, but this one has like logo printed all over it, and it's just something different. Like, I don't have anything like this for my sportswear. I usually just buy something plain or simple. So this is something different and something nice, and I like it, and I think it's perfect for summer. I just hope that by the time summer comes and that we're all you know, able to go on vacation or stuff like that. I'm still hopeful, okay, wishful thinking. I hope I'll be able to like wear this out together without having to cover up and, you know, be conscious of my bulges, because honestly I have been working out since before lockdown started, and I did like drop a couple of weight, but I feel like there's a lot of like flabs left in my belly, and I'm trying to get rid of that, and it's not an easy task, you guys, but I'm not complaining. But I just want to be able to run outside in just sports bras and not worry about my bulges showing. Anyway, I like my body, okay? I love my body, not complaining or anything, just letting you know. We are moving on to streetwear. I only have like 2 pieces. The first one is Nike ACG, this turtleneck top that I got. You know me, well, if you've seen my previous video, the last haul video that I did, it was like sportswear, activewear, and I got a couple of ACG items in that video, and I guess you could tell that I do like ACG stuff. And this one, I bought this not to wear it to work out, but to wear it out because this is just super cute. I think the style is so sporty and like badass, but at the same time it could be sexy because the material is this ribbed knit, and it's just body hugging. And if you want to like kind of show a little bit of that chest and like, you know, just be a little bit more sexy, I'm just trying to be. I'm not saying that I am. Like, I honestly don't have any chest to show, but you know, just the feel, just the look of it. Just pull down that zipper and it's gonna look really, really cute. So I think this is something that you can wear to go out at night as well, like go dancing, go to the clubs or something like that. I'm gonna just hold on to it until I'm able to go out to the clubs, you know. I actually also bought this because I was inspired by one of my favorite DJs, Bea Alonsote, or Butter B as she's known for. That's how I realized you can actually wear it to go out clubbing, because she was wearing it to one of her gigs in the Philippines in a club. So it looked really nice, so I wanted it. Okay, the last item I'm gonna show you guys is this sweater or sweatshirt from HUF in this bright peach color. I just wanted something loose and baggy, but that's not dark, like something I can wear even during the summertime. So I opted for this one. So even though this is like long sleeves, I can wear them out because the color it's perfect for summer, I guess. I particularly like the back design of this thing. So it has like, I think this is a very common HUF design, no? And then I do like the lettering on the arms or the sleeves as well, and this minimal triangular HUF logo on the chest. So yeah, I guess that is the end of this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.